Let's be real. You done outgrew the drama, outlasted the rumors, outshined the curses, and somehow they still think they got access to your energy. Nah, baby. Spirit has promoted you. You're in rooms they can't enter. You're protected in ways they'll never understand. And that's why they're attacking you. Not because you did something wrong, but because you did everything right. They want your gifts, your glow, your calling, but they weren't built for the pressure that comes with it. So now they sit in silence, watching you elevate every time they throw dirt. And you still rising, still growing, and still chosen.